Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Pregnancy Plus app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Pregnancy Plus app. If it's not working, you have to follow this easy step. So at here, just press and hold it here. Just click that I button. It will open the app info section of the app. So at here, when you will just go and just click on here at the app detail in store, you can see the other things. So here you have to go to the storage, just click on clear data, just clear the existing data. Then here you have to open it again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it does not work, just check for an update. Go to the search bar and search for the Pregnancy Plus app. Just download this latest version and it will work. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.